Hi, I'm Jack Hemingway from the Gardening Products Review, and today we're reviewing the Corona QuickSaw. It opens with a thumb lever locking and unlocking mechanism. The interesting thing about this particular saw, one of its unique features, is it has a overextended angle to it for, as they say, more difficult cuts. Perhaps they mean reaching out like this and trying to undercut something. I'm not quite sure what that means, but I'm going to interpret it as making an undercut so that you can make a proper pruning cut. The blade itself is made from impulse-hardened steel. Basically what that means, it's a metallurgical term, and it's the way high carbon steel is manufactured. Something that is impulse manufactured is one that lasts 3 times longer than a conventional high carbon steel blade. In terms of other features of this saw, it has a pinky indent on the back so that your hand does not slide off the saw. It also has a hole for you to hang it up in your gardening shed, and it can also be used for a lanyard. This is a pull cut saw. It only cuts in one direction, and it's adjustable through a slotted screwdriver. I wanted to talk about how easy it is to fold and unfold this particular saw. As I mentioned, it has a thumb lever lock. Just by depressing this, it'll open up into its full position like this, and it's very stable in terms of its play and tolerances. The button itself in this whole area here is aluminum. It feels and speaks of very high quality, and it goes back in a fully locked position when it's closed. Initially, when I tried this saw, I found it incredibly easy to start the cut, and it did make a very clean cut as well. Maybe that's why they call it the QuickSaw.